Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So today here in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can solve your MacBook speaker problem. If you face any issue like whether it's your left side speaker or your right side speaker volume is low, or if you see buzzing sound from your speaker, then how you can solve this problem. So the solution of this problem is replacement, as we all know, which cost around 200 or $300. But there is another solution also which you can try and it will save your money. The solution is go to the system preferences. Now click on sound. Now here you see a option balance and this left and right. The left is your left side speaker and the right is your right side speaker. I was facing the sound issue in my left side speaker. The left side speaker volume was low. So what I did is in this balance I just uh, increased the sound of my left side speaker. So if you face the problem in your right side speaker, then you can do the same. You can increase it. This is not a permanent solution, but it will solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful for you, then be sure to subscribe my channel and like this video.